Welcome to Vortic Watch Company. Today I'm going to show you how to open the back of a pocket watch. We get this question a lot because people send us their family heirlooms to convert into wristwatches for them. And what we need in order to see if we can do it is to see the back. And so sometimes you're going to have a pocket watch that looks like this. This is called open face, where you can see the dial right through the front of the pocket watch. And sometimes you're going to have a hunting case where you can't see the dial and you have to press the crown to open. So first thing is figure out where the face of the watch is and then find the back. On the back, you're sometimes going to see a hinge, so look for those hinges, but a lot of times you're going to see a place where you could pry it open. Get a tool like this, something thin and metal that you can get in under that pry section and literally pry it open. That's going to pop off, and underneath the back of that hinge, sometimes you'll see a dust cover, and it's just another section that you have to open and get inside. And what you're looking for is the movement, where you can see everything taken away in there. So that's how to open the back of a hunting style pocket watch that has a hinge. Sometimes when you open the back, you'll see a hinge. And so on this one, I'm going to get in here and pry it open, and it's going to open on that hinge. Now the front of this one, it has a section where you can pry it, but it doesn't have a hinge. So you're looking for this right here where I can get in under there and pry it open, but when I do that, the whole thing's going to come off. And sometimes that'll happen on the back of the watch as well. If you don't have a place to pry, if you're looking around, there's not a place to insert your tool. Now what you do there is you actually just unscrew. So you can unscrew the back. This one, typically if the back unscrews, the front will also unscrew, and that's how you get into the back of a pocket watch. That is Vortic Watch Company, how to open the back of a pocket watch. Check us out at vorticwatches.com. We turn pocket watches into one-of-a-kind wristwatches.